week's update, the highlight is actually the parking lot that you just saw. But as we enter the lobby area, I can't tell you how excited I am about the one anothering that's going to happen in this lobby. The fellowship, the encouragement. Along this back wall, you see the cabinets going in. That's where the coffee bar is going to be, and other opportunities for fellowship. And then in the opposite corner is going to be a library, and I believe in front of the library is going to be a welcome desk. Moving into the main sanctuary, you'll see that a lot of the painting is done. The floor is pretty cleaned out. There's not a lot of supplies. We're going to peek over here. The sound booth area looks to be about 3 times bigger than what we have in the current sanctuary. The ceiling is looking like a lot of the technical stuff is put in place. They just have to put the rest of the tiles. And now we're back in the lobby going into a bathroom. I just want to show you the progress made. All the bathrooms look about the same, with the same simulated wood floor. The walls have the tiles on them. The ceilings are in mostly, yeah, and they're looking pretty good. And now we're going back out into this lobby, and in addition to the fellowship, we'll also have the opportunity to meet and greet the members of the community, any visitors that we have, and we'll be able to have that outreach. And as we train and equip the members of Overland Hills, as we step out these doors, we will be able to go to the community and to the world.